name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make a Starblast in Photoshop. Alright, so the cool thing about Photoshop is it's got some preset shapes for you to use, and I'm going to show you my favorite Starblast in Photoshop. So if you go to the Shape tool, which normally looks like this, up here will pop a little panel. So I'm going to go to the Custom Shape tool, and I'm going to scroll up, and there's a Starblast right here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and hold Shift and draw that out. There's your Starblast. But I'm also going to show you how to do it with the pen tool, just in case you don't want to use the preset. So I'm going to grab actually the freeform pen tool is a lot better. That way you can kind of get more exact with your blast shape. And then you right-click, fill path, OK, and there is your Starblast, and then you delete path. My name is Alex, and this is how you make a Starblast in Photoshop. Thank you.